Good evening to everyone. If you're just joining us, this is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. right here on TGM Radio. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All Star, Fire Q, Look Beyond Rasta, World Mag Entertainment. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince, and also by World Mag Entertainment. Remember, we have a brand new issue of Daya magazine, courtesy of World Mag, and it's on our website. That's www.worldmag.co.uk. And you can go pre it. At the front page, people, is featuring coffee, the hottest cup of coffee right now, right? But this evening, live inside the studio, we have a very, very special guest. She's here for the first time. She goes by the name of Renay Palmer. She's here with us live.
Hey. Hi, guys.
Good evening. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm all right. I can see you in your phone, your social media. What? Your social media queen, are you?
It's not really social media queen, but me and social media are friends.
You're in the friend zone.
Yeah, with social media, we speak very often.
Wow. It sounds like best friends, actually.
Something
like so. So welcome to the Upnlive show. Welcome to our platform, and it's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Tell us about yourself.
Oh, what do you want to know?
Just whatever is offered, really.
Whatever's offered. Well, like you said, my name's Renay Palmer. I'm a singer. Mainly I'm a singer, but I've just taken up rapping as well, which is nice.
Yeah, that's what I read from your bio, that you started going on to rap side. So what's the sudden swing from the singing sensation to rap diva?
When I say that, it's like I sing naturally, but rap's my next kind of music.
Okay.
Like I will listen to rap every day, so it's what I'm around, what I'm used to, and to be honest, it's not that I find it easier to express myself that way, but there's only so much you can do when you're singing. Like I can sing, I've got that in the bag, but it's like with rapping, it's like, I can say what I want to say.
You want to say, you can express yourself.
Yeah, man. I get to express myself, and it's like I'm being perceived. It's like, yeah, that's you. Like, not that singing isn't me, but it's like, oh, we can hear you because that's you.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So I enjoy it. I like it.
So basically, in the rapping, you could put out that little bad girl side of you.
Yeah.
Some, sir.
The Nicki Minaj side, yeah?
No, I wouldn't say Nicki Minaj style. I would say Renay Palmer side.
Hey, shots fired.
Wait. No,
I like that still.
Thank you.
You're relatively new. You've been around for how long now?
I've been when you say been around, what do you mean?
Musically.
Musically, I've been taking it seriously. Like the past 2 years, I've been taking it seriously. But I've always sang.
Okay.
Rapping, like I said, it's just been. Do you know what? It's not just the other day that I started rapping. I rap anyway in my house. I was just afraid to do it out loud.
Out loud, yeah.
And then I got into my creative zone. And once I got into that space, like no one couldn't chat for me. I do what I want now. It's like it's my zone. I love that. So I was able to express myself. So when I say musically, I'd say I've been singing my whole life since school days, really. And
so
then 2 years serious.
You say you take it seriously 2 years ago. So have you get any signage to any major record label? You have any managers in the picture at the moment?
Well, at the moment I do have a project manager, Pablo Bones.
See?
Studio at the moment.
Big up Pablo.
Big up Pablo.
There inside studio, Big up Pablo. Don't know.
Yeah,
persistent as well.
But pretty much up until this point, I did have a mentorship from my brother, pretty much. His name's Vic Santoro. He's a rapper, actor at the moment. So when I met him is when I decided there was a path that I wanted to go down my life, and I had to fix certain things. And from then, he taught me pretty much not what I needed to know, but he showed me what it could be. Yeah. And I then took it for myself and marketed myself and rebranded myself. I got in touch with Pabs. I said, this is what I want to do, and we're making it happen.
Because you talk about marketing and strategy, because I've looked at your Instagram. Let me just go into it just to make sure again. And when I'm looking at your Instagram, I'm wondering, she said music, but it's more, she's like a model, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. I'm just being honest.
Well, Rick, you have to understand how we digest music these days. They say right. Sexuality sell.
Yep.
It is really sell, and like if you have the goods, why not?
Yeah, and at the end of the day, like I said, I've rebranded myself. They've got
That's
a
good.
whole load of things coming. So if you looked at my page and you thought I'm a model and you followed me, then good on you.
It's good. Yeah,
You've
it's
been to
good.
a very big surprise.
Now, what I say, I like it. I like because I'm a very huge critique of artists, people who's taking themselves serious. Because if you're taking your craft serious and you ain't showing no emphasis on doing that, then I'm gonna treat you exactly how you take yourself.
Yep,
So I
definitely.
see you making the steps in the right direction. And of course, people's
Thank you, I
gonna
appreciate it.
appreciate you and then respect you for what you're doing. Even you may not be the best of what you do, but eventually growth will take you to where you need to go.
And I'm me. I can't be duplicated, so
See that now? I like the confidence.
yeah.
To be honest, like in this music game, like
Yeah.
you take a bit of time to get in, or what I would say, not experience that confidence, because like when you get that confidence in yourself, that belief in yourself, it's like you can conquer the world.
Yeah.
So I can see you moving towards that direction because I downloaded a few of your songs the other day and I'm listening to some of your songs
I
and feeling
appreciate
like
it.
say, I think like the one that called Fool, I like that one more because I see you was like Indian natural element in that song.
Yep.
Yeah.
You was, yeah, so I realized say you take a bit of time because as I say, anything you do in music, like have you ever done any live performance in London?
Yep. I do performances all the time. So
And do you find it like after a few performances you keep
Mhm.
growing and like better
Yeah.
and better each time because like a confidence in yourself, right?
Yep. And at the end of the day, at first I thought it was other people's support that was gonna make me get to where I needed to get to put myself out there.
Yeah.
Well, it had to start with your self-love. And some people think that self-love is self-love. No, you know, when there's self-love and there's self-love, it will you
'Cause-
walk in that.
You had a few demons in your past as well.
Mhm.
Because one of your tracks you mentioned to me that it's in support of you're a bit shy yourself.
I'm not shy.
You're a bit more worried about stuff. Would you like to disclose? Because you have a period in your life, and I read from your bio that where you're not as confident as you are now.
Yeah.
And what helped you to get over that?
Well, I'd say before I say what helped me, I'd say briefly what created these. What we are talking about is anxiety. I suffer with anxiety.
Yeah.
I'm happy to say that because nobody would probably even believe that. So what anxiety is you operating from a place of fear.
Yeah.
When you realize that fear is actually man-made and someone told that to you or you picked that up along the way, it's like, okay, bye. Let's keep going. And that is what gave me my self-love. That's what gave me my confidence. That's what gave me what I needed to do. I had to dot a few I's and cross some T's before I entered that self-love and saying that that's what I was doing because, like I said, it's a lot. It's not just, okay, I'm going to look after my appearance or I'm going to do this. It's everything. It's the way how you operate, the way how who you're around, your energy, what you allow, what you don't allow, who has access to you and who doesn't have access to you. And once you start to put things into boxes and you start realizing who's here for you and who's not and what you're here for and you're not, I realize that there's a mantle assigned to my name and that cannot be taken away from me.
Yeah.
For some reason, somehow, I've always ended up in music. So why not?
Why not?
And that's basically how I got that's actually how I got over it. I realized it's a storm. Literally at night time, it goes night, you wake up in the morning, it's sun again. Like it's literally that, and you can deal with things. So I used to operate from a place of fear that if anything happened, literally, if this dropped on the floor, my thing is, oh my God, it's broken.
Yeah.
Not, it's only dropped on the floor.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So because certain things and certain people I've come across and I've passed in, I've valued them. Let's say that I value certain things and certain people and certain moments. They stay with you forever. So you get up every morning, you're like,
yeah,
that happened, and okay, I'm walking out my house, and is that gonna happen again today? So you start operating from a place of fear, and then so I just went on the whole self-love journey, and I'm here.
That's right. And you also did a song to share about basically your story.
Yep.
The name of the track is Fool. So there we have it, people. The track that we are going to be loving for the 2019.
Because I have this
the song that he likes.
I have it queued, so
Yeah?
I'm gonna play.
Oh,
it
you
for
like it?
Yeah.
This isn't out yet, you know.
It's
not
not
out yet, you know.
Don't
This is
worry,
like
people.
special
You hear it
moments.
first on the upper line. I'm gonna play a quick.
No, I wanna
say
just- I
40
wanna-
second half of it, and then
I wanted to introduce it. I wanted to introduce it.
Well, this song.
Wait, well, I'm getting some yays and some nays.
Some years and nays. What's going on? What do we do?
I don't know. What are we gonna
Are
do?
we
It's a
ready
moment. It's a moment.
Yeah, no, with full, it's like one thing I like about music is some people do music, some people are music.
Yeah.
And when I say like, I write songs and then I read them back, I record them, and every single time I'm like, oh wait, and you start connecting the dots, and like, you remember in like school, the teacher would give you like a bubble and they'll like brainstorm something, and you'd have to connect everything
together,
brainstorm, and it's like, oh my god. And then I started to realize that the song just meant a lot more to me than I realized after I shot the video. So after I shot the video, that's when I realized, oh yeah, this is it. So you'll hear the lyrics, you'll assume one thing. Once you've seen the video, you'll know it. And if
Do you have the video with you now?
I don't have the video with you, and even if I did, you wouldn't be allowed to see it.
Okay, quick question. When will this song be officially out?
So we're looking at May. We're looking at May at the moment. I'm not going to give you guys a date, because if I give you a date, and everyone's going to be like, oh my gosh, da. But it will be out in May. It will be coming very, very soon, a couple of weeks, literally. The promo video will come in, like, will be like next week.
Yeah,
you see.
and I guess your music will be on every platform. The iTunes, Tidal, Spotify,
everything.
Wherever.
Yep. And if you're following me on Instagram, you can click the link in my bio. My link tree is on there, literally with all my links to everything that you need to find.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
That's so. Are we gonna do this, Dragon?
Go ahead.
Are we gonna do this?
Sure.
We get some clearance.
Yeah, guys. This is Full, written by me, produced by Pablo Bones. I hope you guys like it.
Don't need a title, stuck in a cycle. Don't hold me liable, no A's on the Bible, yeah. I'm the only one who got a mouth like a rifle. I shot you down cause you're idle, and said you can't do what I do, man. I'm sick of unreliables, I'm taking shots like a Michael. Man, I hate when I fight you, and trying to find a ain't like you, man. Please don't make me do it.
Now hold on.
Say please don't
Wait till the next part. That's my favorite part. Yeah.
do
After that, I'm gonna cut it. Sorry. If you need to hear the rest, you could go purchase it when it's out.
it. On you. Please don't make me do it. Please don't make me do it. Don't really need a title. Still guts like a knife. That's why you swing like you're Tyson. Look rough, still a diamond, yeah. Tell me you still see me shining, yeah. Yeah.
I tell you guys, if you want to hear the rest, you know what to do.
You have to
That song
stream
is
it.
very, very cheap. It's like, I think on iTunes it's like £1, £2 for a song.
Yeah.
Everybody could afford it. Go and support the movements.
Yeah, it's
I
like,
swear.
what's that, like a cup of coffee?
That's right. Not a Burger King coffee, not a Costa coffee.
Definitely nice.
Anyway, people, if you're just joining us, but live now, we're here with Renay Palmer. She's here. She just dropped a snippet of her new single. Not yet released yet, so I'm very hyped to say that not yet released, fresh out the box. You heard it first.
You heard it first here on Upnlive show.
Simple.
That was a preview. This song is titled Fool. So when it's out, just check out our social media platform. I'm sure she will have a lot of things about that track on there, so you will know where you could find it first, or if you're gonna put it on our Vivo channel or something like that.
Yeah.
Just follow movements.
It's all coming, man. It's all coming.
That's right.
You just gotta follow me on Insta, like, because I think I use Instagram. Like you said, social media. I think I use Instagram more than anything. So
That makes sense.
yeah, man.
So all these cameos that you've been doing, because you've been doing lots of covers, because I've been following what you've been doing. When can we expect a full body of work from you, like say a full package? Because I know the single is coming out soon.
Yeah.
Is there anything else in the making, like you're working on an EP or album or something?
Yeah. So I'm getting ready to do the whole Girl Next Door EP rollout. Girl Next Door, that is the name of the EP. It's dropping on my birthday, September 14th.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my birthday.
So managers need to be working on that deadline.
For that EP, do you have any collab with anyone on it?
Oh yeah. I've got some collabs. There's some dope people that I'm blessed to have. I'm only gonna like. Oh, guys, I'm so gassed. The EP is going to like. It's gonna be live, and we're gonna have a little show.
Yeah.
Little event. Like I said, it's gonna be my 26th birthday, and like this time last year, I wasn't in. Like even though I said I've been doing my music for 2 years, like my last birthday, I didn't even celebrate it. Like I literally went like a normal day. So
Okay.
my what's the word? My progress is gonna literally. I'm gonna be so gassed on that day. So I can't wait. It's coming, and I'm really happy to deliver it to everyone soon, man.
That makes sense.
He's like, that makes sense.
So, if you guys looking for a party, also remember she's gonna do a launch of her EP.
Yeah.
So,
And it's invitation only, so make sure you're my friend. Are you my friend, Rick?
stay tuned. You don't
Listen,
know your
let me
friend.
check. Look,
Just go friend around the way.
check the friend list.
Yeah,
I'm
we
on
have a
top.
few months now to get an invitation. You understand, guys? You have like, let me see, 1 month in May, no
Yeah.
April.
wait.
June, July,
July.
August, September.
You got like 4 months. You know what I mean? Just friend her up, big man.
Simple as that.
Just slide in her DM. You know what I mean?
Oh
Just
my
accept that friendship. Just friend her up. You know, get the invitation out.
Yeah, man. No, it's definitely like, listen, there'll be tickets and stuff, but yeah, man.
Okay, we got you performing any upcoming events? Are you have anything planned? Or are you just in the studio?
Yeah. So I've got another show coming up on May 2nd, RBE Showcase. Hold tight, them, the RBE team, and I can't wait to come perform down for you and mash up you lot show. Listen, I can't wait, man. Seriously.
It sounds like you're very hype on the performance.
Yeah, I love performing. You know, that's my stage. I
that's-
love it.
That's why I could see that grittiness inside her. I could see that streets. Where in London you based?
I'm from South East London.
I know you're Southsider, man. That's why it's my place. I don't know. I could see
It's
that.
a southeast
Yeah,
as well.
man. I'm born and raised in
I could see that salt
Lewisham.
in you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, born and raised in Lewisham, man. That's our home, man. It's people's down there, man. But yeah, that's where I'm from.
How are you finding it getting into the industry side of things? In terms of as an artist, a female young artist, do you find that you're being accepted, or you have to work a bit harder than?
Coming from where I come from, it's not. Yeah, definitely. I had to put the work in, but I feel like naturally, anywhere you gotta put the work in. It's work ethic. Like, remember, I still got a job. You know, like you gotta put the work ethic. So at the end of the day, it's like if you put that effort in, people are gonna be like, okay, all right, well done. You can't just do one thing and then it's be okay, yeah, where's my support? Like, no,
Yeah.
you gotta take yourself, like you said, take yourself seriously. If you don't take yourself seriously, no one else will. And right now, I'm definitely feeling love for my hometown. I'll tell you that much. Like before, it used to, like I said, my anxiety is like, make me nervous. It's like, what are they gonna like? How am I gonna be perceived? What they're gonna say? And it's to be honest, I'm getting hugs now. Like, oh yeah, hugs. Like you, like it's like it's nice. Obviously, you question it sometimes, but it as a female, it's like. It goes both ways, but I can handle myself, so it's like
I can see that. You can definitely handle
I
this.
can handle myself.
Yeah, but you come with this responsibility of being like an artist, as a musician, as a public figure. You come with a lot of responsibility as being a bit of, what you say, people friendly. Because some of the time you're influencing people's life and you don't even know. So you have a big impact in people's life, because I bet some people might get up and watch your story just to get the daily fix. You know, I've seen what's going on in your life, because like as we say, controversy sell and people like to watch people's business. So
definitely
you have that impact in people's life. So if somebody approach you as an artist, you have to be a bit, friendly.
Skeptical, yeah.
Skeptical,
And that's
but you
why
have
I've
to be
got
a bit
Pablo
friendly.
phones for like like at the end of the day, I know I'm in that position where I'm very aware of my surroundings. I know exactly who is who. And you cannot fool me. Like, you can't style a styler, so there's no way that you can.
Okay, guys, you know that, yeah?
You definitely can't style a styler. You heard it here first. But no, it's facts. At the end of the day, I can handle myself, and I know who's around me, and I think I've got enough people around me to give me good advice that no one can't come around me and just give me some cheap advice or something, and I'm gonna get excited. But you get people watching you, the randomest people, because the story shows it for you. Like, you can see everything. My Instagram's open. I can see exactly what's going on.
Yeah, because I'm looking at your Twitter feed right now, and I'm just checking out. So shout out to Trillery Banks as well.
Trillery.
Bad guys, hey, listen, Trill. Me need to have words, yeah. Got words, but that's another story anyway.
Yeah, she's good people. Like,
Yeah.
I respect her, man. She's
I like her grind. I like her hustle as well.
Definitely a G. She's a G, man. Like,
She's-
that's what I'm saying. Like, there's women like that. I was gonna say girls, but like, we're women now. Do you know what I mean? Like, you've honestly got to have each other's back,
I like that. I see that. I see the
seriously,
unity with you guys.
You got to, and my thing is just like, I got my girls like Gemini. That Gemini in the building, my girl. At the end of the day, yeah. It's like,
and Jem just there, you're quiet.
like,
She changed her hair today. Like, she's
every day
wearing.
she change, yeah.
She's a yellow and
Of
white.
course, you got spring. Of course. The sun is out, bro.
But yeah, do you know what I mean? It's like at the end of the day, yeah. Certain people that I know, like in the industry, I know a lot of people, don't ever get it twisted, but I had to pattern up myself for them to take me seriously because they got to protect their brands at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And especially being a female, it's like, one, you feel like men are going to just perceive you in one way, and then two, you're going to feel like women are going to be like competition. And you see, once you understand you're in your own lane and you can't be duplicated, and you're supportive of other people and your positive energy tells, you know, you can walk into a room and you can definitely feel an energy, whether it's good or bad. And that's me, like I walk in with that positive energy, and I had to be like that now. I had to be like that now because I want what I want back,
which is right.
Like good vibes only.
And we're gonna see if you're gonna get that good vibes right now, because this time of the show is where Dragon takes over.
Oh dear.
And he takes you to that place.
What's that place?
So this is the part we call the freestyle.
Oh really?
And really why we call it freestyle, because we're not paying nobody any money. You're gonna come and just do anything you feel like to do. If you feel like to sing Jesus Love Me, decide no.
He does though, right? He does. He does.
Just put down a few bars, yeah? That's how we do it.
Jesus love me. No, I'm joking.
See that now? People, this is
No,
Renay
pull it
Palmer.
up,
Let's see.
yeah. Pull it up for me, babes. Come on. Let me turn this up for my ears too.
It's God's beat maker.
Look. Hey, 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 hey. I didn't win, but I win. I don't bench no gym. I just sit pet 'em in. Man, this room that I'm in, dog, better know that I own that. Man, I throw it back, no throwback. Same one, know about my Zodiac. Talk too much like Kodak. Say I'm getting lippy if you want that. I boom flick on the dick. Man, I don't dance, I don't do no splits. Tick tock on it, I can do a little trick. I'm a real juice nice, make it. Why?
Pull up.
No, fire.
I force Mr. Dragon pull up the freestyle.
Don't make me boss up, please.
Hey, people, Renay Palmer live here in the studio.
Renay
Let's
Palmer,
go
one
again.
more time. Go on again.
You're gassing me right now, please. I didn't win, but I win. I don't bench no gym. I just sit pet 'em in. Man, this room that I'm in, dog, better know that I own that. Man, I throw it back, no throwback. Same one, know about my Zodiac. Talk too much like Kodak. Say I'm getting lippy if you want that. I boom flick on it. Man, I don't dance, I don't do no splits. Tip top on it, I can do a little tricks. A real juice nice, make it pop no zits. Same one capture, coffee in the morning, dog. More time rapture. Cha, move, go on, silly youth. How you gonna talk when you know the truth? Like my juice on spill. I rock the mic, man, I'm ill. Take me out and pay bill. Work full time, bad B, got it still. So how you gonna hate from the outside, yeah? These tunes make me bread on the inside, yeah? I box off the ting, man, boomer, yeah? Bun up the ting, man, yeah. My hot boy, he don't cheap on him barber. Toughen up my body, man, I walk on him armor. Good girl when the sin ting ton. Bad when me drink this rum. Hey, I'm done, listen, hey.
Yo, that's Renay Palmer. Tough.
I'm not gonna lie, I wrote that like, what, 2 days ago?
Freestyle bad.
I'm not lie still, you know. You throw it down rough like some big man in a fam.
That's true. No, listen, me people.
That's what I'm saying, I love rap, man, I love it. It's like, yeah, get in there.
Listen, me people. All right, we need the thumbs up and the thumbs down, something there, yeah? So, if the people that will watch this want to give me the thumbs up if it's hot, and if it's not, just give me the thumbs down, the realness.
Yeah, man.
Where you say, Dragon?
Hot.
Hot daddy.
I like that little mix that you did there. I wasn't ready, but you see, but that's why I like rap. You know what I mean? Because it's like anything you can just ride it. Like with singing, it's like the melody has to go. It's like, oh yeah, I can do it on that. I can do it. It's like rap. It's like forget about it. Because I've done a freestyle one time, and it's like I wrote 4 separate raps, and I just went zoom, and it's like
yeah.
And that's what I like about it.
No, but
It's
we don't
cold,
hear.
man.
We're not hearing singing now. No, Dragon.
You didn't hear no singing. You weren't singing. I came here for singing, didn't I? You
Yeah, we're not getting the singing. It just
want
this
singing?
that's bad up
He
the
just, you know
studio.
what? He wanted to just dive into it. Like, gosh.
You know what? Because As
Yeah.
I'm tell you, I can say that bad girl Renay. So but I want the people them on who don't know the
Yeah.
bad girl side them.
Just
Get
get
to
to
know the
know.
bad girl side. Just jump right into the bad girl side.
I'm not bad. I'm not. Oh no, I'm not bad. I'm alright. Okay.
What's that bad girl thing, boy?
I am a little bit. Like
Alright.
sometimes I'm bad when I drink
Alright,
this stuff.
The singing
Oh,
side
gosh.
now, wanna hear the singing side, but hear what? We wanna hear it a cappella because we want people to hear your vocal.
Yeah, definitely.
You have a big voice, so use it.
What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear? Do you want to hear something?
Stage is
something?
You can do anything as well. I tell you could sing Jesus Love Me. I just
You
wanna
say
hear your
Jesus
voice.
love me, Jesus love me. Okay, cool. Alright.
I got caught a fraud, just get sudden change deed. I still got my job, I'm still counting paychecks. Baby, you should lay every night I stay. He still wanna touch me, I said no way, he's outdated. Now he should know better. Mommy's a go-getter. Tell me who's better than who. Tell me who's better than who. Aye. Oh, honey, honey.
You know what? You kill me, you know that? I just see him in the background he was just in a little
I just throw something in there, yeah.
Yeah, you're cold, I like you. You can come with me on the road. You wanna come with me on the road?
You see that
No,
now?
I'm small, I can fit in a suitcase. Maybe you're the first, yeah?
Oh man.
It's
Also
definitely-
everyone that's just locked into my life, man.
That's definitely
Literally.
live. Definitely live. And people, Renay Palmer, new artist. She has a single that's will be coming out shortly in a couple of weeks to the
Yeah.
exact, and she will be expecting her first debut EP. That's going to be on September the 14th. Am I right?
September 14th, 2019.
And
my
that's her birthday, and
my
she's gonna have a
birthday.
turn up. So if you
I'm
wanna
gonna have a turn up.
get involved in a turn up, you need to follow her social media at.
Yeah, because you know what? I'm looking for artists to perform on the night. I don't need a lot, but I want a few. Like, definitely still, and they can hit the shortlist.
Definitely.
But it's gonna be a well night. Like, I'm gonna perform, I'm gonna do my thing, like, and I'm just gonna thank everyone for their support, man, because definitely, like, in order for me, self-love is still everything, but without everyone saying well done, like, it's like it gasses me every day just to, like, come on Instagram, I come on my message, I get inspirational messages, I just get a little high five there. It's nice, man.
It's nice. And you representing for Southeast London, Lewisham.
Southeast London, Lewisham.
Wicked. I hope people can find you on that famous Instagram or that Twitter. What's your social media
Yeah,
feed?
well, to be honest, I've made all my social medias the same, just so everyone can find me.
Yeah.
So it's at Renay XPALMER. So it's Renay X Palmer.
Okay.
Yeah, that's me on
So just like
Instagram.
Vibes Cartel,
Oh
Adidja
my
Palmer.
god, I
So
get this every
you follow
time.
the thing.
I get this every time.
No, I don't know. Something with that last name is like little talent in it.
Listen,
The
you know
Palmers.
what? The
Yeah.
Palmers, like,
Yeah.
yeah, man. If that's the case, then that's the case, is it?
Okay, definitely. And people will be looking for great things for Renay
man.
Palmer for 2019.
No, I appreciate it, man.
So follow the journey, and we want to thank you very much for coming to us studio this evening and be a part of the
Thank
Upnlive show.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Any
man.
last words before we go?
Nah, do you know what my last words are to anybody suffering with anxiety, anybody worried or confused about anything, anybody that's in a situation that they feel that they need to get out of or they feel stuck? Just know that communication is key, and closed mouths don't get fed. And if you want it, go get it, car. Ain't no way we was put on to pay bills and die. There's no way we was born to pay bills and die and stress. Listen.
Ooh.
Word up.
But big up everyone, man. I love everyone, man. Thank you so much for having me today. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for coming through. People, that was Renay Palmer. If I have a little sound effect, Dragon should drop a bomb or something for you. Yeah, guys. She got hard. It was wicked. All right, it's approximately 21 minutes coming up to 11. And we're going to be here to the top of the hour. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, by Vast Prince also. And the show is produced by World Mag. On behalf of the entire team, myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All-Star, Fire Q, Daily Brown Rasta, Chino, and the whole dream team, we call this the Upnlive Show. Remember, going to the YouTube channel, support our channel. Is called Upnlive Show. Instagram, all the same word. Facebook, all across all platforms. Right now, we're turning over to the capable hands of Dragon.
Now I want to big up everybody who have been locked